Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Holden Captiva 7CX, stock reference number 4607. This shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 9th month 2015. There's an LFW 3-litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. LFW 3-litre V6 petrol engine. The bonnet appears to have no damage. We have a radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light with surround, left-hand fog light with surround, left-hand headlight, left power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover with a cutout for the tow bar, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, and module. Tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has one medium-sized dent, right guard appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, indicator type, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With a driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, sat-nav CD player, heater controls, sat-nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, sunroof type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio, phone and Bluetooth. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.